Hello everyone, I'm Siddesh Kulte and you're watching the icosa. So before we get started, let me just tell you that what are we going to do on this channel? Like what am I going to share? Well, this channel is totally dedicated to technology, developers, ethical hacking, networking and stuff like that. So expect me to be very like technical guy in this channel, and I'm gonna include some jokes in this channel as well, but till a certain limit, not much, because yeah, fun is really the thing I want. Okay, so that was all. That was the intro of my channel, and now we are going to have our main course, not the food. The video's main course is all right. So let me just give you an intro that what are we going to do in this video. So like if you want to search something, what do? Just go and Google it. And if you want to search something in private, what do? Go on and type in the incognito, right? That's what we do. But you know what? Even the incognito search is not sufficient if we really are concerned about our privacy. Because Google is even tracking the incognito. It's like, it's not just that even if we just clear the history or the history isn't saved, that doesn't mean that someone is just not tracking us. You know that even if you're like watching this video on YouTube, Google knows that you're watching this video, and like if they tomorrow, if they want to see that who were the people who were like watching this video yesterday, they can just take that list out and they can point you out right at the moment. So the question is that how do you stay safe? How do you stay secure when you access the internet? Well, there are some good companies who have made browsers which search the web even better than Google. Yes, even better than Google, even better than Opera, and even better than Internet Explorer. Yes, I'm right. Internet Explorer. I don't know who uses it, but yes, Internet Explorer as well. So, what's the name of this browser? Well, the name of this browser is the Onion Router. Yes, the Onion Router, or simply TOR. Yes, TOR, or the Onion Router. That's the name. Okay, so I have this thing over in here. Like say it says start TOR browser, but how to install it? Where to find it? Well, let's head on to Google Chrome and I'll teach you that where to find it, how to find it. Okay, so just go on and open Chrome. Yes, you can open up Firefox as well, or Internet Explorer if you are really using it. Okay, so let's go on and type in the TOR project. Actually, this is the thing which you need to type in, or you can just go on and type in like TOR download. And the first thing over here is the www.torproject.org, which is the official site of the Onion Router browser. Okay, so but before we install this, we need something else as well. Okay, and what's that? Well, it's this thing over here. Let me just show this to you. Firefox. Yes. And why? Because Tor, or the Onion router, actually runs on Firefox. So it's simple to install it. If you haven't really installed it, just go on and type in like Mozilla Firefox, and you get the download link in here. Just go on to it, and it's in here. Just go on or go below. Okay, so that's the link. Fine. Download now, and the download should start automatically. Yes, it's in here. And okay, so this is the setup. You can just go on and open it and run it, and it will start this thing. Now I have already installed it, so I just won't install it. Yeah, if we cancel Firefox, will yeah, fine, cancel that. Yes, I know the download was interrupted because I already have downloaded that. Alright, so after we have downloaded Firefox, sorry, so just check it that if it's working. I'll just open it up. Okay, I got that. Okay, so this is the thing, and this is how Firefox looks. Ta-da! Well, that's what's all. Fine, just close this in. Okay, now after you have downloaded Firefox, I'm really sorry, I'm just misspeaking it. Sorry for that. So after you have downloaded Firefox, just go on and you can see this thing over here. Download the TOR project. So just click on this. Sorry for the slow internet connection. It's really slow. Sorry for that. Okay, so here you can see it works on Windows, Apple, Linux, and Android as well. Yeah, I'm really excited for this, but for now, as I'm using the Windows operating system, just go on and download this thing. Okay, so this is just a TOR setup, and I have really installed that, so I just won't download that again and again. I don't want to waste my data. Sorry for that. Okay, so after you have downloaded the Tor browser, you just need to like install it like a normal software. So just click on that, run the software, and install it in your C drive or whatever drive you've installed it in. Now, what after that? Well, I'm here to explain you that. Now, just you'll get this thing over here. It's a desktop shortcut. So just go on and double click on this thing. And yeah, one thing for sure, if this opens in such a window, just let it be that way, okay? And the first thing is that it won't give you this window, it will give you something like this, which appeared over here, the box over in here. I'll just close this and open it again. I'll tell you what thing will come up the first. Okay, so this thing will actually come up the first, and you'll get two buttons over here. First one will be connect, and the second one, I don't remember that what was what. So just click on the connect button, and you'll be prompted over here. Alright, so what do we do now? Well, you have done everything. Yeah, I mean just literally everything. That was all. Just install the Tor browser and you're ready to explore everything privately. Now, how do you know that it's installed and it's really working? Why? You don't trust me, huh? Well, fine, no problem. Just go on and search in here. Now, the thing which we'll notice over here is that it uses the DuckDuckGo search engine, which is actually pretty awesome because Google hides many things from the search engine. Like it goes on hiding things like I wouldn't say that, but it hides many things, just like torrent links and some explicit content which I'd not like to tell, but that's the way. So just go on and it's actually really reliable, the DuckDuckGo search engine. I really trust that. Okay, so just go on and type in check or connection and hit enter, and there we go. Ooh la la. Okay, so you'll see this page. Yeah, I know it says sorry you are not using Tor, but fine, when we'll open that link we'll surely get that. Now before I open that link, let me tell you something here. You can see this thing over here, right? It's like an inbuilt VPN which you can actually connect. Okay, and this thing is really awesome. Okay, so it's like all regions, and then Canada, China, India, and United States, and this stuff. It doesn't stop. It just covers many of the countries. I'll just clicked on this link. Okay, fine. And after you click on it, you'll get this thing as congratulations. This browser is configured to use Tor. Yeah, and this simply means that you are using an anonymous network which is called the Tor. It actually says that you've connected to the Tor network, which is the Onion Router network. Fine, now let me show you some proof. Okay, so just get back in here and like okay, I don't want that, please. Okay, and I'll type in like what is my IP. Well, for the people who don't know what is IP is actually an address which is located to your computer. It's like, let's say you have a home address, in the same way you have a computer address as well. And that's all what you should know right now. I'll be making videos on that later on as well. So okay, so this is the first site. What is my IP address.com? So I'll just click on that first one. Okay, fine. Come on, my internet, please. And can you see this thing? Moscow, Russia. So what this thing actually means? It means that I am virtually connected to a network or a server which is set up in Russia or Moscow. I know you didn't understand what I said, but let me make this simple to you. So what actually this says is that you have actually connected to a virtual private network, okay? But the thing is that you can also download any other virtual private network and just go on saying that I'm anonymous. But the thing with TOR or the onion router is that it creates three links, or you can say three ports. Now, for example, this just shows that this is the Moscow which I'm connected to. But after Moscow, there are also two other layers which you are connected to. For example, you first connect to a server, like let's say it's in France, the second one is in Australia, and the third one will be Moscow, and the third and final one will only be the recognizable server which others will be able to see. For example, this server over here, or it says what is my IP address.com. Well, this server or this website is just able to see the end server, or you can say the third server of your, like, the connection, okay, while the rest of the two, which is in my case, let's say France and Australia, are undetected, and along with that my server, my computer, is also undetected. So that's the beauty of the onion router, which I really love. Okay, now some cool get tricks as well which I want to share to you. Let me just close this thing. Okay, so here is this thing called as you'll get this shield over here, so just go on and click in advanced security. Now this shield actually says that what should your browsing privacy or the security level be like. So I'll say that better let it be on safer, because on standard it's like all the things will be visible, and JavaScript and other hacking things will also be visible, which can make your computer like harmful, and just it will go like a zombie, blah 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 blah. And the safest one will just block everything, which is really not good, because if you want to access something, it will just say, hey, you cannot access this, it's not allowed over in here. So that's why I just go on and select the safer option, which is really good, and you can just read all the features given over in here. Alright, so I'll just get back. Okay, fine, I'll close this. And now the next thing which I want to show you is this new identity. This thing really is amazing. Okay, so what does this thing actually do? Well, it says that it'll give you a new identity and just close all the browsers and like the tabs which you've opened. But the thing is that it gives you a new identity. It means that, for example, currently I was connected to Russian server, right? But when I just click on this thing like confirm yes, it will connect me to a different server, or let's say a different, like a server. Yes, yes, it's a server, it has to be a server. So it will connect me to a different server. All right, so now I won't give a demo of that, because I think the video is gone more than 13 minutes, 13 to 14 minutes, whatever. So I think this is the end of the video. But before just ending of the video, let me tell you a good and a clear advice that please don't play with this. Okay, so just don't go this way, like horizontally, and this vertically. Just don't do it. Why? Because these things, when you like minimize or maximize your browsing screen, they can actually detect that what device you are on. For example, I say I just go and set this to full screen from in here, or maybe just from in here. So it's like the whole window is now a bigger thing, and browsers or the servers or the websites can actually detect that your screen is actually bigger than the expected, let's say a tab screen or maybe a mobile screen, which clearly says that you are on desktop, and you or your privacy is actually tampered with this as well. So just a neat and clean advice that just let this thing be as it is. Don't go, okay, fine. Don't go behind increasing or decreasing this browser's size. Just let it be as it is. So that was all for this video, and I hope that you learned something new. And if you're new to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. I don't know if you threw a sausage on it or eat it, but I want that button to be clicked. So that just click that subscribe button, click that like button, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one.